What's up? I'm Curtis. I'm going to show you the world famous Inkbox headquarters. Come along. Okay, so usually we'd enter through the front door, but today we're going through the side, through the world famous Inkbox parlor. So this is the Inkbox parlor. It is Toronto's first and only semi-permanent tattoo shop. Can you believe it? That's great. So we walk in here, we got this beautiful sign that says temporary bad decisions, because that's what we're all about here. Some cool artwork, inspire you, make you feel things while you're getting a tattoo applied, because that's what you can do in the parlor. Come in, get a tattoo, you can buy tattoos and bring them home. Here is the best part. We got a live Instagram follower count. So when you come in, if you are watching this video right now and you're not following us on Instagram, go follow us and then this will change. Not because YouTube isn't live, but you know, it'll change, so that's pretty cool. But that's the parlor, so sweet. But now we're gonna go up into the office. So we moved into this office about 8 months ago, so it's not fully done yet. We're gonna have a big art piece on this wall, so just imagine how cool that's gonna look. Pretty crazy, right? This office is actually 12,800 square feet. You know how many square feet that is? So much? Come on, let's go. Okay, welcome to Inkbox office. So many great things, so many people walking around. This is great. So yeah, just want to follow me. We'll start this whole shebang off. First off, you got this front part. Nothing like a good front part. You got a nice table, people can chill. You got a nice siren outside. It's the city. We're in downtown Toronto, if you didn't know that. We got some desks here. My desk is right here. People working. They're not all there right now, so people are on vacation, but that's fine. So yeah, come on, we'll keep showing everything. Quiet as soon as we walk by. We got Deandra and Felipe here. Hey. They're having a very important business meeting, obviously.
Yes, very important.
Yeah, some sweet pillows. Some people work along here sometimes when they're not feeling like hanging out at their desk. The office is prized possession. Hoverboard, great. People use it to get around, even though they really don't need to. And this part's pretty exciting. We got the lounge. And you know, after work, obviously, not during work hours, people they hang out and they play video games, and you know, it's great. It's a nice place to like chill out, hang out after work. But yeah, let's go see some more stuff. So in here, this is our lab. This is where we bottle all the freehand ink, which is pretty exciting. If you guys didn't know, we actually do everything in-house from Toronto. We make the tattoos, pack them, ship them, we do everything. It's all here. And this is probably the best looking room in the office to me personally, but it is a very important room. Looks don't matter. A lot of great things happen here. So yeah, that's the lab. Let's go see some more stuff. Look at the camera. You got that on camera, didn't you? That's all right. All right, so here we got the very important to any office. We got the Nerf gun wall. If you're late for work, you have to go up execution style. Everybody shoots you with a Nerf gun. It's not true, but that'd be fun, wouldn't it? Over here we got a nice couch. People come and chill and work. You get one with a new logo, because that's our old logo, but still got a nice piece of art there. Memories, memorabilia. Here we got the kitchen. So clean, so fresh. People getting food, so great. It's the true heart of the home is the kitchen, is what they say. And this is where all the good things happen. All right, so now we're gonna show you the newest addition to the office. Pretty exciting. It is the Inkbox Tattoo Studio. And this is where we get some guest artists to come in and give tattoos to people. And it's also a nice little lounge where people can, there's Deandra again, she's chilling. And so yeah, people come in to do some work, hang out, have meetings. And we got Dolly over there, our unofficial mascot,
hey, everybody.
Hanging out. Sorry, this is the coolest part of the whole room. The big boy, big lava lamp. It's our crown jewel.
Pride and joy.
Pride and joy, crown jewel of Inkbox, the big lava lamp. But yeah, we've only had one artist come in so far, but we have a lot more planned. And yeah, super excited about this space. And the one and only Sarah Skrill designed and painted this wall. So good, so beautiful, honestly breathtaking every time I see it. But yeah, that's the tattoo studio. Let's go see some more stuff. All right, so this is one of our meeting rooms. There's a meeting going on right now. Some very important topics going on in there. Gosh, can't even imagine what they're talking about. Probably all firing me right now. But we're gonna show you some more stuff. Come on. So this is known as the picking area. This is where we keep all of the tattoos, where people we send them out to you. The order comes in, we grab it, put them in an envelope, send them to you, and we release tattoos twice a week, so it's been adding up, and there's so many designs, so crazy. This is like every Inkbox fan's dream is to be in here, I think. But yeah, the picking team works really hard to get all these out to you, and there's just so many. So this is where our lasers are, where the tattoos are actually cut with a laser, real life laser. It's futuristic, but it's real. It's pretty crazy. Over here, this is our buddy Tyler. He cuts all the custom tattoos, so if you submit a custom design, he works his dang butt off to get them cut and sent out to you. So yeah, it's great. So this is the coveted content room. If you want to follow me, I'll hold the door open. There you go. Yeah, fun fact. If you ever see any of the pictures on our website, if you see any white background, that's where it is. The world famous white background. Probably the most famous white background in the world. So it's great. It was made just for us. I think we're the only company with a white background. So it feels really good. We're very blessed. But yeah, we make all the videos and stuff in here, take all the pictures. And this is a place just to make content. People come in, content leaves. What am I saying anymore? I don't know. But we're gonna do some more fun stuff. We'll show you the rest of the office. Come along. So behind me, you'll notice there are some pillars, like any building. We don't want it to fall down, so we got these pillars in the middle. And we decided to do something pretty cool with it. For each one, we got a different artist to paint on it, and we got some really, really cool designs, all really diverse artists. So yeah, take a look at how just truly breathtaking they all are. All right, so that was the Inkbox headquarters. Hope you enjoyed the tour. But unfortunately, we got some work to do. We got some tattoos to make, so you guys gotta get out of here. Thanks, MTV. You don't gotta go home, but you gotta get the f*** out. See ya.